Hi guys, this is going to be the infinity two-piece skirt, guys. So as you guys know, like if you follow any designers, they will have one outfit made, maybe a pantsuit, a skirt or whatever, but they have multiple different outfits made with the same fabric as their models running down the runway. So if you guys know, I made a two-piece bodysuit out of this fabric. So now I'm going to make a skirt. So again, guys, this is a really simple. You guys can make this, I'll say 15 minutes because a lot of the hemming takes, you know, it's a longer hem. So basically, guys, you guys going to take a pencil skirt that you own and cut out your pencil skirt, guys. So this is going to be the two pieces, and I already got it pinned together. And this is going to be the top part of your dress. So I don't know if you guys ever follow those infinity dresses, so meaning that they can wrap multiple ways. So basically this piece right here, guys, is going to get connected to the top of that dress, and then these long tassels, you tie them up around your neck or however. So this is going to be a two-piece infinity skirt set, guys. So I wanted to show you guys what I was making and what it looks like for it's put together. So guys, take a pencil skirt, boom, there you go. And then take this, do a measurement from the width of your breast and how much of your breast you want to cover up. So then that'll be the width of your breast. And then this, when you do the roll hem, roll over. So all the way up, and then we connect those two pieces to the skirt. Okay, stay tuned. Actually, guys, when I come back, it'll be made, because what we're going to do now, I'm going to sew this down, boom. Sew this down, boom. Roll this over, boom. And if I need elastic, I'll put elastic in there. And then I'm going to take this piece and connect it to the top of this skirt and start wrapping that baby around. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, now as you can see, the infinity skirt, pencil skirt is put together. So now what we're going to do, we're going to connect the top part of the wrap. So you remember these long pieces right here, guys? So when I say right sides together, I'm going to put one piece right here, guys. And I'm going to connect a pin right here. And then I'm going to take the other side, guys, and put one piece right here. Kind of like a crisscross, like they're overlapping each other. Put the pin, and I didn't mean to pin it to the back. Let me unpin it. I pinned it all the way through. But pin it there. Pin it there. So we're going to take it and pin it all the way around. And what I'm doing, guys, to the side of the skirt, because, you know, like if you don't want a lot of that side boob action going, you pin it more going around. So if you guys can see, what I'm doing is I'm pinning it going around, guys. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on a sewing machine and I'm going to sew it. So I get to this other side, so we get around to where the seam at, the side seam, right back here. So we're pinning it on around, guys. And we might definitely have to put some elastic, or with the fact that this dress, we're going to tie it up, we might not have to. So that'll be determined later. But I'm pinning it on around. And then I'm going to start sewing it in the middle with the crisscross, because I want to make sure I catch those two pieces first. So after I get that pin, guys, this is what it should look like. Okay? So I'm going to start sewing this, guys. And the next time you guys see it, I'm actually, as I always do, I'm going to try it on for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. So stay tuned for me to try it on and you guys to see how it looks. And then the longest thing is the hemming. You know, guys, I hem that by myself. I won't make y'all have to wait with me for that. Okay, so I'm going to start sewing that, guys. And I'll come back. Bye. This is me putting on my red bottoms. I didn't know that it was out of place. Me again, getting ready to put on the shoes. And hi guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. So guys, this is what you guys will wind up having. This is that infinity dress. Yes, this is that infinity dress. So if you guys decide to put this one together, this is what you will wind up having. And what I mean when I call it the infinity dress, you can wrap it in different ways. You can take it and wrap it in multiple different ways, guys. So you can take it and do little different designs and stuff with it. The longer the tassels, the more you can do with it. Mine's is not as long, but you guys see how I changed it from the one way to this way. So yes, the infinity, guys. So you could take it and change it around. So you see how it was one way, I took it and changed it, you know, another way. And you could take it and change it another way, and take it and just continue to change it around in different styles. But this is that infinity dress. You guys remember I made the little red bottoms? Yeah, so these ones I have on. So try out the infinity dress, guys. I think you guys will really love it. You guys will love it a lot. And I would say once you know what you're going to make with the hemming and stuff like this, this could be a 15-minute sew-along project, guys. But this is the infinity dress, guys. To infinity and beyond. So, guys, try it out. Thank you guys so much. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is a couple still shots of that infinity dress, guys. So try out this infinity dress. You can make this less than 15 minutes and be the life of the party. And you can do multiple designs with this infinity dress, guys. So thank you guys for watching my channel. And as always, God bless, guys. Try out this infinity dress so you guys can be the life of the party. To infinity and beyond. I love this dress, guys. A real easy project. So wanted to share with you guys. Try it out. I think you guys will really love it. God bless. Bye-bye.